animals sleep all winter. Imagine if you had a magic blanket that kept you warm and cozy when it was cold outside. Animals, like bears and hedgehogs, have their own magic blankets, called hibernation. They sleep to save energy because food is hard to find in winter. While they snooze, their bodies slow down, like a toy running out of batteries. But here's the twist. When they wake up, it's like a big animal party with lots of food and fun. So, hibernation is like a long nap before a big celebration.